From Mozart's former home to this ultra-luxury masterpiece, welcome to Rosewood Vienna. The ground floor lobby is set to become a coffee shop, a welcome addition that will bring the hotel further into the daily rhythm of the city. We stayed in a Deluxe Junior Suite on the 5th floor, a generous space up to 57 square meters with twin windows overlooking the Peterskirche. Swing them open and you hear the clip-clop of horse-drawn carriages on the lane below and the bells ringing in the belfry next door. It is one of those wonderful sensory moments that immerses you into the fabric of a very old and very beautiful city. The details kept revealing themselves. Like the art and design board games made exclusively for Rosewood Vienna, and our pillowcases embroidered with our initials. The interiors are ravishing. Backhausen Textiles, the firm that powered the Vienna secession, appear throughout. We started our evening at the 1835, the rooftop bar named after the year the building was constructed. You climb a few steps from the bar and emerge onto a terrace that stops you in your tracks. The copper-green dome of the Peterskirche fills the foreground. Beyond it, the spires, domes and gilded flourishes of Vienna's extraordinary skyline reach to the Gothic silhouette of St. Stephen's Cathedral spire. Dinner was at Neue Hoheit restaurant. Rosewood Vienna is a masterclass in what happens when a hotel brand truly understands its city. The bespoke design, the layered art, the residential warmth of the rooms, the thoughtful details like the Wiener Werkstatt book, the leather-bound espresso machines and the embroidered pillowcases.